Are you having... Rolling your walking some grass and then you might get a good little haircut yourself. She says, I don't want to get that. I don't want to. I just want to have my hoops. No, it's mine. Ow, you scratched me, Shadow. Don't scratch me. There you go. Hypnotized dog. Brought to you by Manny Quincy Pets. Subscribe. What are you doing, Peppy and Chili? You're fighting.